Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to edit multiple sheets at the same time and how to take advantage of this functionality in Excel. So here we have 4 different inventory lists in Excel on different sheets. And the biggest thing is you have to make sure that the information's in the same columns and same rows. It doesn't matter if the numbers are different. And so say we wanted to update the format and add a border beneath item and quantity for each inventory list. Instead of going through each sheet and manually doing it, all we have to do is we click on the first sheet, hold down Shift, and then click on the last sheet, and then we do it on the first sheet. We add the bottom border, and now clicking through the sheets, you see it automatically updated the rest of the inventory list. This works because all we're telling Excel is to say, hey, on every cell F7 and G7 in this range, add this border. The same is true here. Every row 11 and 12, add an extra row, and then we'll type in lettuce in 2, and it's going to take place for all the sheets that are highlighted. And so this is how this functionality works. You could do this if you wanted to add a column, if you wanted to add a formula. The biggest thing is just to make sure that each data is in the right cell. And that's the video for today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.